In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Excel conditional formatting to compare two columns. So here we have two different columns with different values, and we want to compare the values and see whichever column has the higher value. So I'm going to focus on the target values. So I'm going to compare this value with this value, and if the target is higher than the sales, then I'm going to highlight it in red. If it's lower than the sales, then I'm not going to do anything. So first thing you want to do is make sure you select your entire column, then conditional formatting, highlight, and then more rules, and then use formula, and over here you want to type equals, and then B2 bigger than C2. So what this means is if the cell at B2 is bigger than the cell at C2, then we're going to highlight it, or you can do whatever format, in red, and then click OK. And here you can see how it's working properly. It's gonna highlight only the values that are like higher than the sales. So that's pretty much it for the video. If you find it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.